Second floor, and looking in, we can see Sammy's new window is in. These are the windows we installed yesterday. Aaron's side window, as well as the two front windows for Aaron. See, all the garbage still needs to get taken out, and the new hallway window. Now we'll take you to where you need to go in order to build all this stuff, and that is my new workshop. We'll meet you over there. Oh, I'm sorry, you don't know the way. Well, why don't you come along, and I'll take you there. We gotta go across the street here, towards the barns. Look both ways down the road. Make sure no cars are coming. Okay, cross. Snow has pretty much been non-existent all winter long, and we're hoping for an early spring. It's actually about 50 degrees out today, even though it's cloudy, which is certainly a good sign. Looking at the brick as we're walking down. Leftover stones for us to choose from. I've pulled the boat out, not to go boating, but to give myself a little more room in my workshop. And here we go. As we enter the workshop, you see my new table saw. This is actually kind of neat because you can step on this little contraption down there, and that'll lift it right up so you can roll it around. We have the new drill press. We have electrical outlets and lighting. As we go all the way down our 30-foot long workbench, we have scrap wood. We have the big old stove where we cook the little children that annoy us. They heat pretty well. Then we have the chop saw, and of course our old table saw, and lights. Soon these lights up here will also be hooked up, and that will give us ample lighting for the entire workshop. Well, until we have something else to show you from the workshop, hold on. From the workshop. Welcome back to Cross Point Farm. It is March 26, almost 5 p.m. and we have just finished putting the windows in the house. I'm down at the back of the barn just to give a different view. We'll walk up across the road here, past our brick pile. And there is the house. Got a car going by at the moment. The house with all the windows in it. Looking at the house straight on now. All the front windows. Next project will be to start putting the exterior doors in. Finishing reframing those. Repairing those as we go on to the north side of the house and check out the windows up there. The little kitchen window. And over to the back, around the kitchen addition, into the doghouse. Hey, there's somebody rummaging through our junk pile. Is that a street bum? No, it's the homeowner, Patrice. Hello, Patty.
Where's Cassie?
Yeah, I know.
I
I saved you some.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you get the ones that said Gloria's Crust?
and the back view of the house with a music room window and the 2 bathroom windows. And here we have our first electrical outlets, or light switches should I say. That flicks on the light to the wine cellar. That flicks on for the rest of the basement. We can peek down here and through the plastic. You get to see the basement. Our new electrical service. Slowly adding breakers. A little heater keeping us from freezing. Our central vacuum system, oil tank, second fireplace, and back around, and back down to the wine cellar in the stairway. Up into the kitchen, soon to be our other hallway door, our little kitchen window,